Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 5.1. But before doing this exercise, at first we know some group of angles. Some are complementary angles, some are supplementary angles, some are linear pair, some are vertically opposite angles, etc. Here we see, suppose that it is an angle whose measure is 60 degree and other angle whose measure is 30 degree. Here two angles are written. When we add these two angles, then measure of these two angles becomes 90 degree. 60 degree plus 30 degree, it becomes 90 degree. Then we can say that this angle, suppose that angle of name of this angle ABC and name of this angle is PQR. Angle ABC plus angle PQR, when we add these two angles it becomes 90 degree. So we can say this angle means angle ABC is complement of this angle, angle PQR, or simultaneously we know these two angles are complementary angles. So we can say easily two angles whose sum is 90 degree form a pair of complementary angles. Definition is written here. You write definition from this part of this video. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree form a pair of complementary angles. Each angle of this pair is said to be the complement of the other angles. For example, 60 degree and 30 degree, they form complementary angles, and 60 degree is complement of the 30 degree angle, and like this 30 degree angle is complement of 60 degree, that is known as vice versa. Another example, when two angles are written here, first angle, this angle, value of this angle is 60 degree, and another angle which is obtuse angle and value of this angle is 120 degree. This is A, B, C, P, Q, R. There are two angles here. Measure of this angle, angle ABC, is equal to 60 degree, and measure of this angle PQR is equal to 120 degree. When we add these two angles, then value of these angles becomes 180 degree. We write here angle ABC plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. When we add two angles and sum of their angles becomes 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles, and each angle of other angle is known as supplement of them. For example, and definition is also written here. You write definition from this point. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree, a pair of supplementary angles. This form a pair of supplementary angles. Each angle of this pair is said to be the supplement of the other angle. For example, 100 degree and 80 degree. There are two angles. Measure of first angle is 100 degree and measure of second angle is 80 degree. Then sum of these two angles becomes 180 degree, and they form supplementary angles. And each angle, angle 100, said to be supplement of this angle, that is 80 degree, and 80 degree also known as supplement of this angle, means 100 degree. Next we see another example, which is pair of adjacent angles. What do you know about adjacent angles? Suppose that it is a straight angle whose value is 180 degree. Suppose that we divide it two parts. It is first angle and it is second angle, angle second and angle first. Dear students, here we see, suppose that value of this angle is 60 degree, then value of this angle is 120 degree. Here we see this angle be formed, for example AOB. Value of angle AOB is 60 degree and value of angle AOC is 120 degree. there are some relation between two angles. They have common arm OA and common vertex O. When we write name of this angle, we use angle AOB, that is 60 degree, and angle AOC equal to 120 degree. Here AO both are common in both angles. Vertex A and side OA and OA both are common in both angles. When two angles have common arm and common vertex, then they are known as adjacent angles. Here definition is written: two angles in a plane are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, like this here we see, and a common arm but no common interior points. At first you see here common arm OA is common arm of both angles, and common vertex, that is O. This vertex is common for both angles AOB and AOC. So these two angles are adjacent angles to each other. In next video we will discuss linear pair and vertically opposite angles. Thank you.